This one?
One on the chain and two which running. And cats.
And here comes a babushka. Come here. Come here. Shh, 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 shh. Hi. Hi there. What's the matter? No, shh, easy. Nee, 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 nee. He's a duck. He's a duck. Shh. There we go. Divide, divide. No. Yeah, those two dogs. But now you can hear that artillery's starting to come in. Come on. Divide, divide. Pashli. Pashli. Divide, divide. Where to put you? For now, we'll put you in here. Come on.
What?
Well, then here, stick him up there. Here. I can't stretch and pick him up. You know that.
Of course I know.
I need a picture of him also. Yeah, I tried doing that, and he was like, yeah, I don't know about you touching me. Shit. Grab the leash, grab. And that's a good leash. He's probably going to run back to his house. Damn. I want him to go back into his house. Yep, see him. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's under. What? Hold on. Pisada. Catch him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Let him go back to his house. Damn. This is absolutely not going the way we planned, nor the way it was supposed to go. That's a street dog. Yo. I just want my leash back. Catch him on this side of the fence, this side of the fence, side of the fence. If you see him come through, grab the leash. Which way?
I don't know.
Max, where are ya?
Oh, so stupid.
Where'd he go? No, he's just misplaced. We don't like to say lose. He's out by the road. Can you see him? Does it look like he's in his house or not? No? Okay. Well,
This job is complicated, man. And the cat is worse.
he's got my good leash too. Sabuki! All right, everybody, so I'm gonna sign off of this recording, and hopefully we will be able to find him. He said, I want my leash back. And anything? He's gone. All right, so we're gonna just have to go on to the next location. You win some, you lose some. Hopefully we'll swing back by and find him at his house. From Myrnograd, Global Animal Rescue and Response, along with Animal Rescue Kharkiv. Bye.